Hello everyone, my name is Ola Yasmin, and in this video I will explain my practical report on the website that I have successfully built. I will go through the HTML and CSS structure, the text, the element, and how to connect web page, and how I implemented table, list, and forms. Let's dive into the explanation. To start, I will build this website using HTML for the structure and CSS for the styling. The main structure of my website follow a standard HTML layout which consists of three main sections: header, main, and footer. At the top of the page, I have header, which contain the title of my website, Praktikum 1 Ola Yasmin. This title is placed inside an H1 tag to indicate that it is the most important heading on the page. And next, in the main section, I have multiple section elements to separate different parts of the web page. Each section has its own purpose, such as displaying question, listing my favorite classmate, and providing input form. And next, in the first section, I create a list of HTML-related questions using an OL tag, which stands for ordered list. Inside the list, I also use nested or OL elements with the type attribute set to A, which help to structuring the question better. Each item is wrapped inside an LE tag. Example, LE pertanyaan seputar tag, LO type, apa yang dimaksud dengan tag pada HTML. Next, And next, this method ensure the content is well organized and easy to read. In the next section, I display a list of my favorite classmates using an HTML table. The table tag defines the table structure, and TR represent a row, and TH defines the header cell, and TD represent the data cell. I also use the border to attribute make the table more visible. And using table is a great way to structure data in a neat and organized manner. Another important part of my website is the form section, where user can enter their name, student ID, and major. This is done using the form element with multiple input fields. For the text input, I also added a submit button to allow user to submit their information. And this form is simple but essential for the user interaction. When user fill the detail and click submit, the data can be processed further. One of the interesting part of my website is the animated GIF that appears only when the submit button is clicked. This is achieved using JavaScript and to dynamically control the visibility of the image. And how the GIF works, initially the GIF is hidden when the submit button is clicked. JavaScript changed the display property to show the GIF and set with the 100% so it covers the entire web page, my web page. And just ensure the GIF only appears after the use interact with the form. And now let's talk about I style the website using CSS. I customize the color, layout, and design and make the page visually appealing. And for the background text color, I'm using body background and color font family Arial sans serif. This gives the website a clean look with light background and dark text for the readability. And for the header design, header background color, text align, padding, font size, font weight, border radius, has a green background with white text to make it stand out. And styling the form button make this submit button look more interactive and modern. And that concludes my explanation of the website I built from this practical report. I use HTML and CSS create a structure, visually appealing web page with interacting elements like lists, table, forms, and animated GIF. This project helped me understand web development concept better, and I look forward exploring more advanced features in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation helped you.